So to start off with, we're given the equation for population growth. So we have P equals P0 times 1.01 to the power of n. So P0 is your original population. P is the population after n years. And the information that's given, Canadian population at the beginning of 2001 is 30 million. So your initial population is 30 million. That's your P0. So we have P0 is equal to 30 million. Which year will the population reach 50 million? So 50 million is your population after a number of years. That's your final population. So P is equal to 50 million. We're trying to find how many years will it take to reach 50 million. So we can figure out, if we know how many years it takes, we know which year that will occur. So we're trying to find n here. Since n is the exponent in this expression, what we need to do, we need to get this 1.01 to the power of n, that exponent expression, by itself. That's the first thing we have to do before we can convert to log and solve for n. So first thing you need to do is get rid of that P0. So you can do that by dividing both sides by P0. So you get 1.01 to the n is equal to P over P0. So now this 1.01 to the n, that exponent expression, is by itself. So now you can convert to log and solve for n. So when you do that, your base of the exponent goes over to the other side of the equation, becomes the base of the log. The exponent stays by itself. So we get n is equal to log base 1.01 of P over P0. Now we have all the information, we can plug everything right in. So n is equal to log base 1.01 of P divided by P0 is 50 million divided by 30 million. All of the zeros will just cancel out. So just to save space, I can write 5 over 3 here. So there's your value for n. If you're going to plug this into your calculator, you could write it as log of 5/3 divided by log of 1.01. So in your calculator, we get log 5/3 divided by log of 1.01, 51.3375 years. So about 51 years. Okay, so if we start in 2001, it takes 51 years to reach the population of 50 million. Then time to reach 50 million would be 2001 plus 51 years is 2052. So we'd expect, based on this population growth, that in the year 2052, Canada's population will be 50 million.